This lesson is nice and short. It's classifying angles and triangles, and some of you might just be like, yeah, I know how to do this. Okay, so for number 1 here, we're going to classify the angle as right, straight, acute, or obtuse. Well, a right angle is a 90-degree angle, and that is going to be C. Again, this little guy in the corner indicates that they meet at 90 degrees. A straight angle is an angle whose measure is 180 degrees, so it's like a straight line, hence the name straight angles. An acute angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 0 but less than 90, and that's definitely this guy. See, he's cute. He's a cute angle, see, because he's little. An obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180, and that would be here, obtuse. Perfect, because a 90 degree would be about like that, so it's definitely bigger than 90 degrees. Now we're going to do something called complementary and supplementary. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. So, and you can remember that because C comes before S in the alphabet. So they have to add to 90, supplement adds to 180. So if this guy is 38 degrees, to get its complement, we're going to just subtract it from 90. Good? So that's going to be 52 degrees will be the complement. And for the supplement, I'm just going to subtract 38 from 180. I'll put little degree symbols in here, and I'll get 142 degrees. Perfect? Good. Let's do the next one. So to get the complement, remember the complements, they have to add to 90. Supplements add to 180. So 90 degrees take away 73 degrees. We will find the complement to be 17 degrees. Now for the supplement, we just subtract 73 degrees from 180 degrees, and we get 107 degrees. Perfect. Now, here's some more information about triangle. First, so that you know, in case you forgot, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. And we can classify triangles by their sides or their angles. So there's 3 classifications for sides. Scalene has no sides equal in measure. Isosceles, 2 sides equal or more. Equilateral has all 3 sides equal. And then angles, if it has a right angle, it's called a right triangle. If it has an obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degrees but less than 180, it's called an obtuse triangle. And if all the angles are less than 90 degrees, it's called acute, because it's cute, it's little, okay? So in number 3, let's classify these triangles. Well, by sides, all the sides on this triangle have different lengths, so it's a scalene. And it has one right angle, so this is called a scalene right. Good? Triangle. And then on B here, we realize that there's 2 sides the same, so it's called an isosceles. And you'll notice that the angle right here is greater than 90 degrees, so it's called an isosceles obtuse triangle. Now, when we get into trigonometry, we're going to be focusing more on right triangles than any of the others. Okay, so I'm going to just draw one more here. So let's say that this is 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches. So this triangle would be called equilateral because all the sides are the same. And then because all of the angles are smaller than 90 degrees, in fact, in an equilateral triangle, they're all equal, the angles, so they'd be 60 degrees. It's acute, so it's an equilateral acute. Okay, now you can go on and you can do the assignment associated with this lesson. Have fun.